Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to study one of the most important topics of CTET Child Development and Pedagogy, Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development. This topic is asked in almost every CTET exam, and many questions come directly from this stage and key concepts. So, watch the video till the end, and you will understand Piaget in a very simple and clear language. Let's begin. Who was Jean Piaget? Jean Piaget was a Swiss psychologist. He wanted to understand how children think, how their brain develops, and how they learn new things. Piaget said that children are not small adults. They think in a completely different way. They learn by exploring, touching, seeing, and interacting with the environment. He believed in constructivism. Children construct or build knowledge by doing activities. Piaget's four stages of cognitive development. Piaget said that cognitive development happens in four fixed stages. Every child goes through these stages in the same order. Number 1. Sensorimotor stage 0 to 2 years. Main idea आहे learning through senses and movement. In this stage, a baby learns using their eyes, hands, ear, mouth, and physical movement. Thinking is completely physical. The child understands cause and effect. The child becomes goal oriented in this stage. The most important concept in is object permanence in this stage. Object permanence example: if you hide a toy under a cloth, very small babies think their toy is gone, but after some months they start understanding that their toy still exists even if it is not visible. Learn through sensory activities, provide toys, rattles, blocks, and movement based on activities. Number 2, pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. Thinking is developing but not logical. This stage features rapid language development, strong imagination, thinking is egocentric, difficulty seeing other people's viewpoints, one dimensional thinking, centration. Egocentrism means a child believes everyone seeing the world the same way they do. For example, a child hides by covering their own eyes, thinking other can't see them. Enemies. Child believes non-living objects are alive. For example, my doll is crying. Centration means child focus on only one aspect. For example, choosing a taller glass even if the water quantity is same. Lack of conservation. Child cannot understand that quantity remains same even if shape changes. Use pictures, stories, models. Do not expect logical thinking. Children learn best through hand-on play. Number three, number three stage, concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. Logical thinking begins, but only one concrete objects. These stage features can solve problems logically if real objects are present. Understand conversation, numbers, mass, value. Understand reversibility, actions can be reversed. Can see multiple aspects. Decentration can classify and arrange objects. Sceneration, for example, child knows that 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Reversibility. It's called reversibility. Child knows two different shapes containers may hold the same amount of water. It's called conservations. Use concrete materials like blocks, charts, diagrams. Learning should be active based, not abstract. Last stage, formal operational stage, 11 plus years. Abstract and scientific thinking develop in this stage. Features of fourth stage can think about future possibilities, can solve algebraic problems, uses hypothetical deductive reasoning, can understand symbols, theories, and abstract ideas. For example, a child can think, if plants don't get sunlight, will they still grow? This is hypothetical thinking. Encourage reasoning, debates, projects, and experiments. Teacher becomes a facilitator, not just a lecturer in this stage. Now we will learn Piaget's key terms. Schema. Schema means a mental framework. For example, a child's idea of a dog. Assimilation means using an existing schema to understand something new. For example, a child sees a cat and calls it dog. Accommodation. Accommodation means changing the schema after learning new information. For example, child learns that cats and dogs are different. Equilibration. Equilibration means balance between assimilation and accommodation. This balance leads to learning. Now we learn Piaget's CTET most important points, direct MCQ area. Children actively construct knowledge is constructivism. Development happens in stages. Stages are sequential, cannot be skipped. Importance of hands-on learning. Egocentrism is a feature of pre-operational stage. Con- Conservation develops in concrete operational stage. Hypothetical reasoning in a formal operational stage. Object permanence develops in sensorimotor stage. Now we learn quick summary of whole class. Number one, sensorimotor means senses plus moment is equal to object permanence. Number two, pre-operational means imagination in egocentrism, enemies, no conservations. Three, concrete operational means logical thinking with real object. Its conservation with plus reversibility. Four, formal operational means abstract, scientific, and hypothetical thinking. Thank you for watching this video. If you found Piaget's theory easy and helpful, please like the video, share with CTET friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. All the best.